Hey guys, welcome back to the MPC Academy. Today we're going to make a beat using the MPC Live III using some of the new features. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to start with some of the expansion kits here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Browse folder. Then we can go to Expansions. And one of my favorite expansion folders has to be the Essentials. All right, and we're going to load up the Jersey Kit 91V Bounce in E minor. So we're going to go ahead and hit load. Then we're going to go to main so we can mess around with the kit. Perfect. And we could take this BPM up to 145. And what we're going to do is start with some hi-hats, but we're going to use the step sequencer. So we'll start with this hi-hat. And I'm just going to start with some eighth notes here. And then I'm also going to extend the bars just a little bit more here. So we're going to do 4 bars. So we have this set to drum sequence. So all we have to do is change our quantize to an eighth note here, hit do it. So now we can go ahead and fill all of these in just by pressing all of these like so, and we already have. All right, and then we're gonna go to page over, and then we're just gonna continue this process. I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the kick drum, and we're gonna start with a kick pattern here. And do the same thing on the next page. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is add our little rim here. So we're going to do number 5 here, and then we're going to do 13. And then copy that over on the next page. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is backtrack and go to our hi-hats again. And this is where we can add our rolls and get a little busy with it. So what we're going to do is go to step edit. And so now we can actually click on the steps that we want to add whatever we want to. So I'm going to add a roll on number 3 here, step 3. We'll turn on the ratchet. Now what we can also do is add some pitch stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the modifiers here, and we can actually pitch that down some. So let's do like -3. So now what we can do is add some dynamics. We went back to the drum sequence here, and then we're going to touch and hold on one of these steps. And then we can use our new touch strip to add dynamics. So we're going to do this on every other beat like such. Perfect. So now we got this. Let's add that. Let's add a little bit of that. Go into the mixer and turn that loop down. There we go. All right, so that's a nice little groove there. So what I'm gonna do is do a new track, and then we'll go to drum, and we'll go into our browse. And here's where we can find some dope melodies to work from, and I'm gonna go back into the essentials. Nice. So we'll load this one up. So this is the R&B Kit 91 clock at G minor. Load that up. Let's add that. So what we can do to expand on this idea, since we know we're in G sharp minor, I'm going to load up a new track here, and this time we're going to do a plug-in, and we're going to go to our sounds. We're going to go over here to the sub factory, and we can go to our 808 creative, and this has some wild 808s in here. All right, so I like this one here, the incantation. So what we could do is go to our notes, and then this is in G sharp minor. So what we can do is change this to G sharp, which is technically A flat. And then we have this set to notes. Then what we're going to do is change the scale to minor. And so we should be good to go. Let's add this bass line. Now we can add some more melodics. Go to new track, plug in. Since we can open up 32 plugins now, which is wild, let's add some more melodic stuff. Let's go to Analog Dreams. Let's go to Plucks. Go to the mixer, turn it down. Let's go to the effects. Let's add some of that new reverb. Let's go to Air Reverb Pro. Super dope. So now that I'm hearing this and feeling it, we can go ahead and load up some more stuff because we have the capacity to do so. Let's go back over here to main and let's load up some more plugins because we have more space and RAM to do it. Let's mess around with some sway. Let's add some of that. All right, we can load this up with some more stuff just to see the capacity of the unit. All right, guys, and it's that simple to cook up on the MPC Live 3. I'll see you guys on the next one.